What's up, beautiful people? This is Olaf, Texas again. Today I'm gonna be teaching you all how to make steak straight from the pan. And today the ingredients we're gonna be using is we're gonna be using tomatoes, we're gonna be using lemon, we're gonna be using lime, we're gonna be using the basil leaves, we're gonna be using Knorr, thyme, curry, red pepper, slap your mama, salt, and then a little bit of oil. The first thing you're going to do is get your steak and take it out of the, out of the pack. Once you do that, the first thing I do is put it aside and apply a little bit of oil. Once I'm done with applying the oil to the board, I apply a little bit of salt. Then once I'm done with that, I had a little bit of Knorr on it. You understand? So a little bit of slap of your mama as well. And once I'm done with that, I put the steak, mix everything around the steak, on both sides, the back, and you see right there, you see how everything looks good. And right now, the first thing I do is put my pan on fire, then put a little bit of oil. What I want to do next is put my onions and a little bit of garlic. Once I let it fry a little bit, I put, my steak on it, then just flip it back to back. Make sure it doesn't burn. Just keep flipping it until when you feel it's at that point where you feel you can eat it. I prefer my well done, you understand? So what I just do is I do it on all the sides, on both sides, until when I know, yeah, this guy is really done. So right there, you see right there, I'm actually applying my lime and lemon also because I love that taste. And you see right there, really looks well done. Once I leave it for a few minutes, I drop it on the board. And just take care of my steak the way I love it. Slice it if you see in between. If you see in between, you see right there, that guy is really juicy. You see, that guy is well done, just the way I like it. And thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate all you do. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the like button. And thank you.